Okay,
okay, I brought to the message. See, they have to be futuristic. Okay, I mean, a man message futuristic. There's a Barca air dream future. Because they say, Rafi and him say prepra. And the doctors themselves or message no. Mashimu eye. All right. I am so self-free now. Baby, I person so the Akubiala.
First of all, the story of Oliver Glasner and the Crystal Palace team is a wonderful story. Glasner, after the year with Frankfurt, na Crystal Palace, a fan say Umbra English Premier League in him. He saw the project say a very, very good project. Obe 2 players bi ana ogidi se obetimi do ma achieve bibi en kakra ana odi omoji FA Cup FA Cup no. He wanted to build on that team no and probably win something bigger. Sa oji FA Cup no obo season ni wie na the transfer season, then they told him, Yentimin Kipi Ezema, he has to go. And Obian himself, Eze was Crystal Palace's best player last season. So he knew, say, Obenya problem. No, it's okay. Eze Nkwa, say, major player, Obe Lucy, say, I said, no problem. Momanenko. Then, after some few days, they came say, Liverpool so mope o captain Magei Tiga e say a ton say Dabi. Moye sa dem begu mi tim no. Nti me de me nasi so. Me ma yem ton Magei emfama Liverpool. Me yem ton ni ma club bia. That was when a quiet board ne say the way are more esika city and the way they are aligned to the club no manager no onya alliance the manager is looking at keeping the best players and winning trophies. The club Crystal Palace and yes our club na yes if they win trophies or pay but and yes our club na betimi aka no to big clubs coming in for their players, especially Somukuteska. Enti na a decision no keke. And I know more to asada. But it wasn't as if say Oliver Glasner has won. Say only modern they were running Crystal Palace. In January, when City came back for Gay, he couldn't hold on. He lost his captain too. Ansa na Obe lose the captain in January no. Na Obi awaji FA Cup the previous season no. Ye ball community shield waje. Inti sa already team no dey winning the FA Cup na. After January he had lost his best player and he has lost his captain. And so back and forth during those times you know. And the man here convinced no. The way I mean, ambitious, no. Crystal Palace am boame. Enti or the better about say your boss season we are on one sign a contract ni woodada. He will not want to continue at Crystal Palace. Now Odin kakrasa. And Odi drew the finals of the Conference League and Enra through Mateta Waji. That is the story of Oliver Glasner. Now, it is as if say, Enka Eze, any Gehi, Enkwakra will be a problem for him. Within the same season, Matata so sorry, or see there be the agent a catch and say AC Milan at the offer ba. Now Milan knew history. How big are AC Milan is here? Or the Crystal Palace or GDA? Into Obeko. Ni coach see there be I'm losing too many good players in my team. Sinama me see there be coach. Ana Ezeko Hasna. O se me na menko. Meko. Matiti say me captain. E dey kwan ba ya okọ. Me na me team we mu. There be I have to go. Ena puwa okọ in the medicals. Nsensem e wo ni medicals no hunti. Ena back. Philip Mateta back no. The first few games of boy be Crystal Palace fans in who no. Say you know tikro you know terrifying. Unso a yesim penifo ka dia unso chinchira be ko similar. Unso ko ya nyi wasaba. Unso fe de ya club na bebo. Now Rich Enra whether a fortunate to any fortunate to it is that Mateta that scored the only goal. I mean, Crystal Palace, I win your first European trophy. These kind of stories make football a wonderful sport. Inti Yebobo Oliver Glasner Baso for the adversaries I will go through, and the story of Philip Mateta must come back and play Crystal Palace and Onunsu go and I'm a Crystal Palace AJ competition. Last time I catch you after Aston Villa G Europa and I say. Apart from the Champions League, I work clubs bia omo outside England or more the financial muscles no. Me suspect say with the influx of Sika, Premier League no. The Europa League and the Conference League is going to be dominated by the English clubs. And on here, first half, wherever I come, second half, the quality and the depth of the Crystal Palace team. And I am omo etimi ewini. Congratulations to Palace. And Oliver Glasner and then the boys. Now to Barcelona. Mami starting is saying Marcus Rashford is not a Barcelona problem. Send a person who put train and pay no. Rashford only a player. And also TSF first. Obebo loan mine. And send him run it no. Loan, you revert to your parent club. Marcus Rashford in Pembrey and can say, on your Barcelona player. And it is our English tabloids. Press on almost on to Barcelona. So no, me won't be a free back. Boy, no, on your player.
I hope that you use and dump.
No.
Okay. Mom ran international.
Oh.
Because you pisca
and come on after the radio.
Mati.
Boy, any player. Say Barcelona by Manchester United. Say you perceive any deal about Marcus Rashford. And you purely demand and supply, and they tell me about the price. And so your concentration is on building your squad. Per the priorities of your sporting projects. So if at any point in time, Barcelona Basel, Marcus Rashford, Eke sporting projects, how highly you demanding for him, and I bet say the kind of price I'm going to buy. Into your sramo, munyanto wasianza. Player or your mumu player. Mona also will decide what you want to do with him. In any case, Barcelona ba na man you must montoras for that. Yentimen chene fanem ko Spain. If today, Michael Carrick should go and tell the Manchester United board say Rashford banner waba back from loan no. And now on no Michael Carrick. Oh my Rashford in court baby be so about Manchester United. Nobody can do anything about it. Or you player. Into your Marcus Rashford for the start of the conversation is not a problem of Barcelona. It's a problem of more. The ambassador be a money player. Now, I answer when you are listening to radio and you are saying, say, oh, and I also buy a child, also bet nephew or contract with Manchester United. Someone see uncle nephew and Munchianica, you go and stay home and you pay him. I want to lose. So, as a professional player to affect you. No problem. Send a club or contract with them. No. and they choose to do what they want to do with him. Now, in anybody's sense, Marcus Rashford boy or go Barcelona. Now let Manchester United team here that way. Now catch me say Marcus Rashford ain't your place in this Manchester United team. And to uncle Tinefia, I told you why.
Yeah, they are penal.
Then use him.
Marcus Rashford now good say penal.
Then use him.
But on as well motive.
There's no way Marcus Rashford will say
only a coach back on our problem.
Is the coach still there?
There's a coach Nino. And
so he's back. Funny. Yen na be gitu mu de bia na ka ofia. Yes yo Manchester United ada ne toxic environment. Into players ni free hokwa no mo shine. Now Carrick and Kakanga is diffusing that environment. Almost toxic na na wo ho no. Points na na wo ho ntia players be entimi performing no. And then look at Manchester United team. Player be happy. Obi aso o coach no. They also ya na no oye no. Into Obia yam elbow game no. Why do you think under that flourish environment Marcus Rashford entimimba na on performing? He can. And lose and Mamika no Krebincho. There is no coach likely to resurrect Marcus Rashford's future at Manchester United except Michael Carrick.
Sure. That's true.
They are English people. That is the reason why Michael Carrick, confirming, the first person to come and interview him was Wayne Rooney. These are Manchester United boys. And it's a obi from academy ni mubase kim na onya challenges. There is no better manager to bring the best out of Rashford, the BM our Manchester United than Orefano Michael Carrick. Munyanto was here. Mumane nyine no hundu ode mo befa so. Look, Anthony Gordon yatono. And now Obabe any medicals after lunch and he will pass. Yape Obia Obabe bo ewo ye bonkum so in terms of building your squad. Yape biache. Yepe Luis Diaz, yepe Nico. Yenya Obia and a far Rashford sa from loan. Now, Rich, as soon as say, I say, clubs are more priority sporting projects. Episode yen in term even before the World Cup. For instance, Chelsea and Nemi Xabi Alonso before the World Cup. Manchester United have taken a decision on Carrick before the World Cup. Pep Guardiola ko Obian mi say Enzo Maresca eba or Man City before the World Cup. Ediena enkofo person mo avoid entia priority sporting decisions no Rich omo making it before the World Cup because after World Cup Rich ensem bebre ne besi upe play bi enne ne boy 70 wako World Cup
akobon
homode oba esi o afi de ko 90 obeto na wonto nti wo so ye onioma ntem now yet is a Bayern as your mope Anthony Gordon no. Look, we were not going to allow Bayern to have Luis Diaz and add Gordon. It will be a cheat. Our Champions League in Bayern, our Luis Diaz, not Osadi Anthony Gordon account. And look, coach your friend Hansi Flick, the Biamakase. One major attribute in the Bona or ball Barcelona is intensity. Anthony Gordon will give you that. And that is the kind of player. Oh, suiti as a flick. And right, you really sad, you know. One Laporta money de come almost free hotel or run and you 8 because they had to meet. Wouldn't Álvarez ending in paying for. Me Musena German wo on no one kasa ni personal manager and so was at the meeting. There were about 3 reps from Julian Álvarez no more meeting ase. There now mo person mo ti ase nyina na say ebo mo na player no or mo camp mo agency na run no. Muna munim the contract among Atletico Madrid war on the player. Mon country player no yepen. last month Atletico Madrid man contract extension one sign. Mas Albert report say Julian Álvarez akache Atletico Madrid so can any your club ne pa no any problem. But se Barcelona ba osere omu ha omuntie na onya ho beko. The moment the player no am make sa guest no, it means that Barcelona can now go fully and this is Nico Williams the NB. Where the omate say player no say onya obeba, and that softens the grounds for them to approach the deal. Nti mun kan kire sika say na edoko let's go for no meji. Say na structure sika na ebetimi a convince you mo. And mo you ready say ye the deal mamwa. Mo betimi a present ya man Atletico for namunuma di gomo afa player na bre na. Now Rich, there is one culture of transfer in Spain different from the other countries, especially England. In Spain, majority of the transfers you have to trigger a clause. So, unya a figure where a trigger clause in a contract. Sometimes you don't even need negotiation with the club to club, no. And until I say after a meeting and you make 8 no more free hotel mundo dear home videos better about I think say yeah probably ain't go for make us a copyright and guys and keys our video no. There's a video of you 8 open meeting the agency and the reps of Julian Álvarez and the Barcelona for including the president their commune at the APF free hotel waba. That is the reason why I now pay all the major sources on transfers, including Fabrizio Mose, Barcelona are ready to today. So, Omodu first bid of Julian Álvarez Beko. What it means is that they understood how to approach the deal, and they've given their first bid note to reps and they say, "Mumfam kona munko kanchanko for." They say, "Oh, saying yeah, you see a bit here." Now, I have not really gotten the details of packaging. But Rich, say you see a man Anthony Gordon 70 plus 10. Now you see 10 no variables no. You bet you when one we win trophies, Tiaji League, Yaji Champions League. Now after so I want say Yaji League na Yaji Champions League no. I also about 60% of those games I had the quality title and sana trigger 10 now. Rich, Julian Álvarez is a better player. Actually, Anthony Gordon. Number 2, he's an Argentine in the Spanish La Liga. Ushomu history, the South Americans bar omubo actually English for no. Yes, English players automatically boarding. But sir oya Atletico Madrid. Na sir oti say Barcelona had a package of 80 million. Ako Anthony Gordon one and yanka no credit transfer market na say oh. Anthony Gordon 80. Transfer market na say.
How do you know maybe as a Wenger who you can man for antina to do?
But Rich, you see, they be a catch say Wenger ekan, but Wenger is an example of the reality because on no Wenger before he left Arsenal, or a bid of 120 million. Monaco so Monton Kila ni Mbappe man. Exactly.
New option.
Yes, he was ready to be part of it. What it means is that Sanko da su coach club. And a club no ewan is so adin so person gin ma. And ka ono so betobi. Sana de netie. Se wan ta. Unya. Obi ko akoto. Enti meme jitum Anthony Gordon 80.
And Álvarez Omeka be 150.
That is the problem.
Anthony Gordon 80.
That
we don't have a 150
and Rich mami wewe
infirmary.
Now minim say if it has also dawned on you and I say wow observe ya e ba ne say na Barcelona e wo 80 million obetimi dey ato Anthony Gordon na or approach you with a bid to get Julian Álvarez na media be say Barcelona any score the better Bastoni. Barcelona no more say the body say. What is it now 145?
45, 50.
Since Barcelona will 80 million.
It will talk God now.
Or bear over 100. How they call approach Julian Álvarez. Who see on to me to Bastoni? No. Sending now which you know. Sometimes you have to be strategic. you know how much you want to pay for a certain player. And they are all torn a better or the better. But Rich, sometimes too, you are very definite in your heart, say, play away a woman some penny, but mean Chiamuru say fan. And it's a uko. You don't even go diet. Oh man, go for tested. Now, what it is a booby Bible. No way you any.
Every grand branch to go up Barcelona.
You get it. It's you any. You buy Gordon, you buy Julian Álvarez. Play an Italy. I say, actually, they are Barcelona for video with me.
Go baby boy.
Inta me say meko. Omoni omon kana be masomwa. Say yeah. But I'm saying, say, it is not true. Barcelona any sika or the better Barcelona. It is not true. But probably sika on beso mutua pa for Abrantie no. Say a middle level now, they are not ready to approach it.
Okay.
And that is how these transfer markets, you know, and Yoma is it rich. Europe pass at say there. You say now Buza Sana, one na Chelsea betomo. And a FIFA and China, Xabi Alonso started omo ejuma. Me say na mudin come about Enzo Fernandez and so what over free club the Marco and so on film. That's how Brandon Akaso so World Cup new answer. No I taking a decision maybe or beko. Until the media will continue to speculate. I think say Ofa Chelsea players now more see na. Rich, the clear say as a baby at Chelsea, I drop ya could do on pass over better now. I am branch number 1. As on na. Over so Chelsea no. As over so Chelsea no. He doesn't belong here. But tell enough if you can. If you are saying you don't belong here, you is kakesi pa na beto.
The contract is a
big. And it's kind of the in all honesty. Then you walk up and you coming out as the best young player. You didn't deserve that amount of money. See, you go to Alban so they are. Nasa Uber Brofia, so ultimate club in Uber. A boy a penny do bejo. Because who the contract a won't be Enzo Fernandez. They should bring the money and Chelsea will take it and give it to you.
Barcelona are simply thinking into the future. Gordon can play 10, Marcus Rashford can play 9, Rafinha can play 10 too. So for injuries, they had to be futuristic. I'm very confident Barcelona will keep Marcus Rashford. Douglas, I'm so no grand message Medinka kind of that. I mean, car brandy the Isa. I say. Barcelona will keep Lamine Yamal, Gordon, Rafinha, and if possible, Álvarez. Then later move to the signing of a defender. Since they are on 1:1, they are preparing Barcelona for the future of success. And now also they are bringing Black Soldier. I say Barcelona is currently working on the future with Álvarez. We will form an unbeatable team. Lamine Yamal on the right, Anthony Gordon on the left, Álvarez in front. Feminator at the back. Master, trust us. There's a Barca move the
Rich again. I am going to be this again. Yo, say, born a Barcelona boy, and Fifi by and come papa. Rich, do you think, say, Barcelona for almost shut Gerard Martin season or boy, and they will be in a rush to pay Siko Mumbeso Mumbetia just because they want a left-footed centre half? In Barcelona, they will not do that.
So more GD or branch anymore.
Look, and yet GD now they've given him the opportunity to play. Wabo 1 season, and he can only improve. And if they get an experienced person, but once they watch him play, especially also, but name himself your bosses in UEL Barcelona, Christensen Christensen is also staying. The Barcelona for Usho Musubaini, the real club in the city na. Rich, the Omuye in the Domestic catcher we are singing and say, even as the flicker catcher say, Yamfa experience formation. But we will never go off our books to bring that kind of experienced player. And then Gerard Martina Bonesa.
Hansi Flick is behind those signings since he wants to win the UEFA Champions League next season. And next 2 seasons, Barcelona are gradually going from 8 financial burdens. Camp Nou will be a gate again.
From that message, that is where I wish Gerard. See, we say Gerard Martin is somebody that at the beginning of the season, personally, I questioned his ability. So beat him up by Edgeman, and he has done a good job, honestly. Throughout the season, he said, improvement. I said Gerard Martin, I have Bobon. I got to a point where I think it was even better than Kubasi, certain part of the season. Solid. My only problem is that I say the linchpin of Barcelona born any attack. Attack Rafinha Premier Adina, Barcelona able to score goals and win. But Osha Atletico Madrid game now. Kubasi did red card, you know. Now if I ever catch Gerard Martin, although Martin has done well, the depth, the quality of the depth is not as good as. You see how emphasis Gerard is good at. But the rest that you have, Araujo form no echo. Christensen has been out of form for a very long time. That is why I think say unless Barcelona can get somebody as good and experienced as Gerard, but any as expensive as Bastoni.
Okay.
Minim Sebian Kebianka Tottenham co-relegation. Then no come to my Van Heck.
Tottenham co-relegation. Tottenham co-relegation for focus some players.
Van Heck and Okano Pinto. Oni sa Argentine bi no.
Kuti Romero.
Yeah. Ajumbonu ni team to.
No, Ajumbonu mu to. Sano musi omo
born. O nice wo ko bi. Between us other than 9 on pana.
I South American leagues, you know.
So I don't know. I just think that Barcelona team nya correct center back that because I think that offer 2 teams now. Like I've always said, Ayala doesn't agree fully, but I think that Barcelona has less squad quality as compared to Madrid.
Okay.
But the difference is the manager. Barcelona to me service has squad issues. Like a crazy one. Barca should win the Champions.
Probably one day we will have to have time from goalkeeper to defense. No. But you are saying say on debate, so I don't want us to start. But I'm saying say may have Obianim me stands on Courtois as the best goalkeeper in the world, even though Adama Real Madrid. But Barcelona one Garcia, you can never tell a typical Barcelona say, oh yeah, inferior when it comes to the goalkeeping department. What's the American say? So our Cezini as a number 2, now Lulin as a number 2. No Barcelona person Abeka say one Garcia Cezini inferior to Courtois Lulin. Every defense now, remember no defenders. Rudiger is aging. Omunyo now they have to extend his contract. Militao Brasa Okobayano Abebra. It's Omu place near Wayma. Momiford near Waya. Kamavinga. Chiomani. Place near Wayma. Omu good.
I don't want